Alright crew, what up? I'm going to show you guys how to change the oil on the G35. I got everything laid out right here. We got 530 oil. Got the filter. The filter is a M1 108A. We need a 14mm wrench or a socket. We got oil filter pliers right there. And then we got a crush washer. It's a 1/2 inch. You guys can pick up at AutoZone. Got the jack stands, wheel chocks, drain pin right there. We got the coupe. So let's go. Let's roll. Check it out. What up, Jab Beats? What it do, bro? Make sure you guys subscribe up. Go hit up all my old videos. You guys subscribe. I appreciate you guys for tuning in. Let's get this video. Alright, you guys, we're gonna start off by chalking these wheels. So throw one in the front and the back of each rear tire. We'll hit the other side. Throw a couple down on this side too. Alright, now we can start lifting the car up. If you guys have one of these pads, it's going to be useful. So we got the floor jack ready to go. Make sure you guys grab a jack stand, and I'll show you guys real quick where I'm about to put the floor jack at. Alright, mine's all banged up as you guys can see, but this is where you guys want to put the floor jack. Right in the center of that frame, right under the side skirt. And make sure you guys got some type of metal, rubber or something that's gonna give. That way you don't bend up the frame. This right here is just a welcome mat cut up, so that's what I'm using. And we'll get this posted up right here. I'll show you. When I'm doing this too, I'm always making sure I got room to put the jack stand next to the floor jack. So right now we're lined up. I'm gonna tighten up the floor jack. Start cranking. Now we got enough space for the jack stand. I'll show you guys where I'm putting these. Do you guys see this? Follow the center of the line. Right under the side skirt. The frame is right there. And same thing with this stand. I'm putting a little thing here to protect the frame of the car from bending up. Let's just cut up welcome mat right there. So now we can drop it down and then tighten this jack up once we get it down. Go nice and easy on the way down. Once it hits that floor jack, stand. All good. Double check it too. Make sure it's lined up right. Make sure it's not going to move nowhere. You can pull on it. Make sure it's all good. Same thing on this passenger side. We'll do the same thing. Alright, you guys see those notches right there? Right there. Make sure you guys are even on the other side. Let that boiler exhaust on there will suck. Okay, right here. Just like that. I'm gonna lower it down. Now I'm just gonna keep that floor jack locked right there for some extra support. That's good. And now these cars, you're gonna have a under tray under here. If you guys still have one on your car, take that off. It's gonna be 10mm bolts that you guys gotta take off. And then you guys have your oil filter right here. And the drain plug right here. It's gonna be a 14mm. And I recommend you guys use a wrench to break it off. Don't use a ratchet because sometimes they're hard to take off and you guys will break the ratchet. So use a wrench, and you could use a cheater bar if you guys are having a hard time to take it off. Same thing with this filter. I'm gonna try to get it off with my hands. But if you guys are struggling to take that off, you guys could use the filter pliers right there. Get this opened up. Alright, now we're going to open up the oil cap. Jeez. Let me open up this oil cap. That way it drains better once we start draining it, and you guys can pull the dipstick up too. Now that we got that ready to go, we'll throw this into place. And make sure you guys open this up before you guys start draining your oil. I fucking made the mistake of doing that. Make sure it's ventilated. If you guys didn't see that, make sure you guys go check out the Q50 oil change. I messed up, just tweaking on the video. Alright, I got the drain pan lined up. So let's crack that off. We'll get the filter out too. There we go. It's been a minute since I hit the oil change on this G35. Make sure you guys let the car cool down too. You guys don't want hot ass oil burning your hand. There we go. Just let that drain out. Make sure you guys replace the washer that's on the plug. Alright, you guys check it out. It looks like there's no washer on that drain plug. I just pried it out. Make sure you guys take that off. You guys don't want to double up on those, so I'm just gonna pry it off with the screwdriver and replace it. Alright, this has been a pain in the ass to get off, so could either cut it off, some snips. Let's see if we can finesse it with these pliers. You guys just be careful not to mess the threads up on the plug. Alright, you see we're just working it off. Guys gotta adapt. It's not gonna go smooth every single time. Now I got that off. Boom. Alright, you guys, I actually think this is the wrong size washer, but I'm gonna use it anyways. I'll link down the size of the part that you guys need. But we'll see if this works. Alright, now it's done draining out. Let's remove the filter. Alright, if you guys can't break it with hand, all you guys do is clamp down on this. And let that drain out. And watch for the oil coming out too, because it's going to drop some oil. When you guys remove this, make sure that this ring right here on the old filter, you guys see the black O-ring, make sure that doesn't stay on right there. You guys don't want to double up on that gasket. And now we'll throw the new one on. Let it drain out for a second. And we'll swap the part. Alright, now I'm taking the new filter. Make sure you guys check the filter before you guys buy it. Check the box, make sure you guys got the right one, because some people will swap them out inside the boxes. But we're going to take some new oil. Get some oil and lubricate this O-ring. Just take a little bit of oil and lubricate the O-ring on the new filter. Just gonna throw it on until it's snug. Right there, stop turning. And now I'll just snug it up. Same thing with the drain plug. Got the washer on there. Yeah, I don't think that's the right size, but we'll rock with it. Let's see. Take your wrench. Snug right there, stop turning. Oh, it's crimped in there. Alright, we got the filter ready to go. And I'm putting in 5 quarts. .530 Mobil 1. We got the high mileage, full synthetic. And then before we drop the car down, we'll start it up, let it warm up a little bit, see if it's leaking. And then once we confirm that everything's good, we could bring the car down. I'll leave a little bit just to be sure. We'll top it off at the end. Old filter into the box. You guys could take that to AutoZone and recycle this. Same thing with the oil, take it to AutoZone. Alright, make sure you guys throw that dipstick back in. Cap this off. Just check downstairs, see if it's leaking. Look good though. Everything's good. start it up real quick. Actually, you know what? I'm not gonna start it up. It's fucking 11:30 right now. So if you guys are watching, man, make sure you guys subscribe up, hit that notification bell. I appreciate you guys tuning into the videos. We're gonna keep it pushing. Alright, you guys. Make sure you guys subscribe up, drop some comments, let me know what you guys think. Make sure you guys go check out my old videos too. Alright, thank you guys, bro. I appreciate it. Alright, I'll catch you guys next episode. We out of here.